sinabi.
Walang
Kasi
scratch.
yung kahapon
Wala naman yan. Pero lang yan, maliit.
Parang tingnan.
Lagyan mo lang ng antibiotic cream. Kung meron kang teramycin, just put teramycin.
Nakabot ko pa ng red na po.
promise.
Can you open the flash and light for her to dark here?
Huwag naman so. Tikas lang. Para makita ko yung skin niya. Okay lang.
Yep.
Check.
Tapos ang ilong.
Yeah, good. Boy.
Master. You're the best.
Basic na kay Doc. Ay, Doc Nurse.
And then,
Yeah.
nice. Nice stretch.
Congratulations. First time.
Yay!
You're doing it. That's
One more?
Yeah,
One more?
The other side.
the others.
Other side, same side, or I put in the middle already?
No middle anymore. The other side.
There's already one thread each side.
No, so already one thread.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. That's stop.
Okay.
Stop.
This one for the.
Meron na. Magkabit.
Okay na, volume, contoured na yung side mo dito. Yun ang magiging results niyan. So ito,
How about
kasi
it?
since mas malapad.
Highlight yung gitna.
Yeah.
Yeah, ito na siya. Yes.
May nose line.
So pag hinawakan mo yung ilong mo dito ngayon, meron ka na ditong
Control
contour.
the blood. Control.
Yeah.
Contoured ba? Contoured na Yes.
So it looks like he has a nose line
Yes.
on each side. So mas ano siya ngayon, mas pag
Define.
nag-heal, mas define, mas masculine tignan yung.
Nice. Thank you.
Tapos mas may ito, meron ditong parang magkaka-shape.
One on each side.
So this guy, if you want to higher, she can put one more. But in my opinion, I don't need. You can high enough.
It's high na kasi. Sabi nito, it's high na. So,
It's high. So,
pinashape na. How is it?
Ikaw. Sumpa isa.
Up to you po.
Seems like he wants one more.
Okay. If you like.
Ayan. Isa pa.
Spa.
Diyan ka na eh. Saktan ka na lahat eh, di ba?
kabila naman.
Sa others.
Hindi, na-expand ko na masyado yung kabila eh.
Okay.
Sa gitna naman ako.
Sure po. Bagong technique. Galing.
This guy is finished. After that, clean inside the nostril.
Okay.
Use the betadine clean one more time.
Okay.
Okay lang.
Hip po. Oh, baka bumagsak ko yung ano bed.
Naka-fold.
Delicates.
Balik pa kasi ka.
Maganda nga yung Oxford. Mahal pala no? 40,000 isang box. Ha? Hindi, original.
Yan na yung pinaka-thread.
Ay, yan na yun.
Kanina kaya na na.
Ayun. Ah!
Ito nga eh.
Tapos.
Okay.
Yeah. Tama na?
Mhm.
Nag-isa pa. Anak.
Okay.
Thank you.
Nice. Ayun, mas round dito sa taas ngayon. Kasi kanina, flat eh.
Kat.
So, ilan po yun?
Tatlo po.
Tagtatlo po siya. Nice.
So, 3 times 2.
Galing. Perfect. Para sa isa, yung icon. Icon.
Miss na kita ha.
Thank you po.
Ay, hindi tayo magmumunos. Kaya pa ba?
Up to you, dear.
Asan yung muna?
Ah, okay.
Ha? Sino magkumonta? Sila. Okay.
Ma'am, imamono niya siya.
Saan